how to transfer SALD from Bybit to Phantom Wallet. Now you can't find the SALD token on your Phantom Wallet, so in this way we will convert our SALD token that we have found on our Bybit account into Solana to be able to transfer it to Phantom Wallet without any issues. But first of all, head over to Buy Crypto and click on Convert. Now make sure that you have a fund in SALD to be able to convert it to Solana in this case. So because I don't have any fund on my account of that token, I can't be able to find it. If I search like SALD like that, so I can't find it. So I will use, for example, USDT for that. Now select the USDT, and in this case it will be SALD. Now we need to convert it to Solana, so type SALD, as you can see. So and after that, click on swap or convert, and you will be able to convert your token to your Solana. Now I will show you how to transfer it to your Phantom Wallet. Now head over to assets and click on withdraw. Now after you convert your token to Solana, what you need to do after that, as you can see here, select this Solana like that. So after you select it, just set the from here the chain, it will be the Solana. Now to get to the withdrawal address of that token, we need to go and open our Phantom Wallet. I will just log into my wallet first, as you can see. Now after what you need to do to get the Solana or withdrawal address of Solana, we need to go and click on the Solana token, and after that click on receive and just copy the token address from here and go to your Bybit wallet and paste it here in the wallet address. So after that, what you need to do, just type the amount that you want to transfer. After you convert your SALD token to Solana, click on confirm, and after that you will be able to receive that token in about few minutes to a few hours on your wallet. So this is how to transfer SALD from Bybit to Phantom Wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.